Hello there, and today we got a package from MSP Cube. In here should be the new GAN 11M Duo, which is basically the GAN 11M Pro without adjustable magnets. And I've heard a lot of good things about it. Let's open this right up. That was nice. Okay, let's see what we have here. Accessories, an adjustment tool, a really soft cube pouch. Let's just check this out. Oh look, it says your ultimate PB renewer. I hope that's the case, because this thing is not cheap. We have a pamphlet, which is basically a guide on how to solve the cube, and apparently it comes with the C4 balance. Another pamphlet, probably on how this cube will be adjusted. And lastly, we have a Cube Station app card, which I'm not going to get into anytime soon. So let's put this away and get into the main attraction, which is this thing. Ready, guys? Pretty neat. Definitely has a matte finish. We have primary internals instead of black. Feels comfortable to hold. This cube weighs only 60 grams, which is crazy, by the way. Let's get into first turns. Neat. I have to say, this cube holds the shape so well. The way Cube had described it is what would have happened if you took a Diantongan V2 and mashed it with a Volca, and I think the observation is pretty accurate. Super stable like a Volca, it's so soft like a Diantongan. GAN got an amazing balance between speed, stability, feel, and weight. Check out the corner cutting. Alright. 45. I guess you have to set up this cube and see how well it performs after that. The best way to test the cube is by doing a bunch of solves. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do an average of 100 and come back and tell you how well I've done. Alright, I'm back with an average of 100, and I did it both on my main, which is the RS3M, and on the GAN 11. My average of 100 on the GAN 11 was 15.78, and my average of 100 on the RS3M was 15.9, and that's a very tiny difference. I guess that's because this cube has a problem with lockups. 15 seconds is my normal average, so honestly I was expecting better from this. I was receiving multiple lockups, which cost me multiple solves. Like, this cube on stock tensions cuts just under 45 degrees. I'm expecting better results after I set this one up. But great puzzle nevertheless. Is this the best GAN cube out there? It can be if you set it up to your preference. The main aspects I like about this cube is that A, it's very light, B, it's very soft to turn, and C, it definitely has that premium luxurious appeal to it. The main aspects I don't like about this cube right now is that A, it catches often, B, it's slippery. But with setup, I believe all those things I don't like about the cube can go away. If you have any questions about this cube, let me know in the comments. Thanks for sticking around until the end. I hope this has made your day. Peace out.